this really pretty glittery cut crease, and I thought it would be super cute to create on here. I love how it looks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial, shall we? Peace. Hey guys, it's Shawna here, and today I'm coming at you guys with this cotton candy glitter cut crease makeup look. So I want to talk to you guys about my makeup schedule and where I'll be filming and where you can catch tutorials, etc. So this is going to be kind of like an updated like routine video for you guys as well. For you guys can know when to see the latest makeup videos from me and stuff like that. So on Mondays and Fridays, I will be posting tutorials on TikTok, and Wednesdays will always be YouTube tutorials. So obviously I'll have different types of videos coming to our YouTube in between those days, but strictly Wednesdays will be a makeup video. If for some reason I can't get a tutorial up that day, then I'll just do it the next day, like how I've been doing. And the reason why is because, like I said in a previous video, which is actually our vlog from the weekend, is I feel that I have been posting so much and Micah hasn't posted a lot, that because it is a channel for both of us, I want to give a little break and kind of help Micah and encourage Micah to find things that he can film, things that he can upload and stuff like that, for you guys can not only see me, but you guys can see Micah as well. Because like I said, I like to be fair in everything that I do. And creating this channel, it was supposed to be for both of us because we both decided that it would be cool to grow a family together through YouTube. And yeah, I just feel like if I post all my tutorials here, that it would be so much videos coming out a week, and I don't want to overdo our YouTube. I want there to be space in between and us focus on TikTok and YouTube and all of our other social medias, if that makes sense. I personally think it'd be a really good idea. That's why we have a schedule now. And Micah is finding things that he can do reviews on. He's also looking into different types of videos he could do for you guys. I've told him from time to time that if he ever wants to do a mukbang by himself or an ASMR eating video or anything like that, because he loves those types of videos, he could definitely do those. He could still update you guys on his transitioning. Like, even though he's hit kind of like a hard spot because there's nothing new to really update, he could just kind of like go back in time and compare to what he felt like 5 years ago to now. You know what I'm saying? There's so much that he could do, and I'm trying to encourage him because I feel like he has hit like a rock spot. Like, he likes filming, but he just doesn't know what to film. And so he's like, and that's why I kind of like wanted to drift away a little bit from posting so much on YouTube, to give Micah that creative mindset back and kind of like help him and encourage him. Not that he don't want me on this channel, because of course it's for both of us, but I just feel like, I've taken up so much of that space that I want him to upload some of his creativity and what he can do and what he likes to do. So I hope that's understandable, and that is kind of why I made the makeup TikTok. So if you guys have not followed me on that makeup TikTok, it is at Makeup by Shawna 093. I also have an Instagram dedicated to that page as well. It's not just makeup, by the way. I'm doing outfit of the days, tutorials, hauls, things like that, just to give Micah a break in being able to upload videos that he wants to upload as well. I try to be reasonable here. I try to think about both of us, and that is kind of why I decided to transition to TikTok as well. Not saying I'm not going to ever post here, because I will. That's why Wednesdays are going to be my dedicated makeup days to YouTube. And then the rest of the days, I'll just be uploading my hauls and other videos that I have. I have a few videos from a few months ago, like hauls and reviews, that I'm going to slowly start uploading to YouTube as well, just to get those out of our drives and up on YouTube and stuff like that. So don't fret, you will still see a YouTube makeup tutorial. It'll only be once a week though, and it will be on Wednesdays. So yeah, I hope that kind of clarifies that there, and I hope that helps you to understand. Also, I hope you guys are liking the tutorials. I tried this cut crease because I wanted to do something different. I'm very, very skeptic when it comes to cut creases because I suck at cutting the crease. I've failed dramatically. For some reason today I did really good. So pat on the shoulder for myself. But usually I do not cut the crease that good. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys will go check out my makeup TikTok. Well, I should just say my girly TikTok. And my girly Instagram at Makeup by Shawna 093. For you guys can always catch me there. Like I said, I'm uploading outfit of the days, hauls, and stuff like that over there for a little bit until Micah can get some content up on YouTube. And then also they come back and, you know, kind of rechange my schedule a little bit. If I end up liking this schedule, though, I may just stick to it. But there's no set in stone promises there, so. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little changes I did. Did you spot the changes? And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried my best at it. I really think it came out good. And I also included a clip to show you guys the glitter up close. Peace and love. See you guys in our next video. Bye.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow